Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. So as you have seen by the title of today's video, we'll be making beef stew. Yes, so over here I've got all the ingredients. Wait, before I begin, if you are new here, welcome to my channel, and please do click the subscribe button down below so that you can be part of this amazing kitchen. Okay, and to all the returning subscribers, welcome back besties. So all right, moving on. So over here, these are pretty much all the ingredients that we're gonna be needing for the beef stew. So firstly, over here we've got chopped onion. I used like half a chopped onion. It's sort of like a medium to large type of onion. And then we've got green pepper, finely diced, and then red pepper as well. So I'm first gonna brown these two and then add the beef. And then here we've got baby marrows, we've got tomatoes, we've got carrots, and the beef over here. So this is our stewing beef. Coming this side, we've got our flora, sunflower oil, we've got garlic flakes, we've got steak and chops. I actually love steak and chop spice, guys. And then we've got a beef stock cube, this one. And then we also have got a beef stock. Over here, it's our spicy shotgun grill seasoning. And then we've got this. Guys, I don't know how to pronounce this, but I think it's Worcestershire sauce. And then here it's our paprika. It's actually not in the paprika container, so I'll just put it in here. And then we've got our steakhouse sauce. This really makes the meat really nice and to also thicken it. And then lastly, we've got salt. So yeah, these are all the ingredients that we're going to be using, so stay tuned as I take you through everything. Enjoy. Okay besties, so here we've got all our spices. Basically it's gonna be 1 teaspoon of each spice. So 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of short grill seasoning, 1 teaspoon of steak and chops, and like half a teaspoon of garlic flakes, and then your green and red pepper, as well as your onion. And then also just add in your oil, just a bit. And then once it starts being fried, you'll let it fry a bit, maybe for about 5 minutes, up until you see that the onion is nice and soft. Then after that, you're gonna proceed to add in your meat. So I'll update you just now. Now we're gonna add our beef. As you can see, the onions are like soft and everything has just browned properly and it's very fragrant. So we're adding our beef now. So yeah, this is our meat when it's in the pot. So I'm gonna close it and close the lid and let it cook maybe for about 20 minutes, and then constantly turning it. And yeah, after that we're gonna add in our grated tomatoes. So the heat should be on level 3, as you can see there. Yeah, it should be on level 3. So yeah, so this is our meat currently. It has also generated some water of its own. So what we're doing now is we're gonna add the grated tomatoes. So remember, it's 2 grated tomatoes. And then just mix that in. Guys, this is how our meat looks like currently. You can see the water has sort of like drained. Okay, let me not say drained, but it has cooked through. So now I'll show you what we're gonna do now. We're gonna add this beef stock pot, but we're first gonna dissolve it in hot water and then we're gonna add it into the pot. It helps to thicken the stew. So yeah. So we've added our stock pot. So now I also want to add a few drops of this. Not a lot, just a few. And then we're gonna let that cook. So now we're gonna chop our veggies and they're gonna go into the stew because the stew is almost ready. So you need to actually add in whatever veggies that you want to add in the stew once it's almost ready to be cooked. So now I'm just gonna chop them. Okay guys, so this is how the stew looks like currently. It's almost ready. It's a bit thick, but we're just gonna let it simmer. Make sure that it is on a low heat. Like if your stove ends on level 6, make sure it's on level 2 or 1, and then just let it simmer a bit. As you can see, it's thickening very well. So we're also just gonna add some Jimmy sauces a bit, and then yeah, it should be fine after that. So we are adding this Jimmy sauces, steakhouse sauce. So we're just gonna add that a bit, not a lot, just a bit, because Jimmy sauces, I mean this steakhouse sauce kind of has a lot of salt, so you don't want to put in a lot because your meat might just be salty. So yeah, and then also just check the salt. If there's not enough salt, then you can add some salt, but if there is enough salt, then you don't have to add any salt, especially after adding your Jimmy sauces, because like I said, Jimmy sauces has quite a lot of salt. So just check before you add in your salt. So we're just gonna let it simmer a bit, maybe for about 5 minutes on low heat, and then yeah, it should be fine after that. And we are done with our stew, guys. So it's ready now. And yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning into my video. I hope that you really enjoyed it, and I hope that you're gonna enjoy this stew when you make it for your family. Yeah, please do subscribe, like, comment and share this video. Share it with your friends, your family, you know, a whole lot of people. And yeah, let's grow this channel. But yeah, thank you so much. Also, do suggest on the comment section below what recipe you'd like to see. So yeah, thank you. See you next time. Bye.